Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight I made some Nashville Hot pig wings. Yep, I was going to call them rib wings. I think I do during how I make these, but I decided to call them pig wings. Look at that, Nashville Hot pig wings. I smoked these on the Pit Boss Lexington 500. 2 hours, wrapped them, fried them, deep fried them, sauced them, and there you go. Let me show you exactly how I made these. Okay, for these baby back rib wings, I am going to remove the membrane. And baby backs are super easy. You just get that membrane started, and it usually just pulls right off, just like that. Okay, and then for these rib wings, I'm only going to do salt, pepper, garlic, and then we'll get them smoked up and show you what the rest of the steps are. But I'm just going to get some salt, pepper, garlic on here. Just the basic. And that's it. We will get these out to the Pit Boss Lexington 500 for today's smoke. All right, you know the deal. Pit Boss Lexington, 250 degrees. Actually, I'm going to go on the top shelf today. I'm putting it on the top shelf because I'm making some tomatillo and green chili salsa that I'm going to set in the tray down below. Anyway, we'll let this roll for about 2 to 2.5 hours. So I'll just at least show you what I'm putting in here. This is a tray of green chilies from the garden, a red bell pepper from the garden, and all these tomatillos are from my garden. Boy, did we get a lot of tomatillos. And I've had a lot of good tomatillo salsa. And this is going to be in here for probably about an hour to hour and a half. This isn't what this cook is about. It's about these baby back rib wings. Nashville Hot rib wings. All right, I'll see you in a second. We're about 2 hours and 15 minutes, still rocking 250. Check these ribs out. 215 is usually enough. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get these wrapped up. I'm gonna put the meat side down. I'm gonna double wrap them and we'll get them back in here. All right, got them double wrapped. We're gonna set them just down here on the bottom since we got our salsa out of there. Okay, we're gonna let these go for probably about an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. We want to get them nice and tender. All right, I went ahead and let these go 2 hours. I'm gonna take these off. I'll let them rest about 30 minutes, and we'll be back to finish these pig wings. Yeah, they're still warm and they are nice and tender. All right, that's just how I want them. I'm going to put the rib side. Look at that. It's already coming off right there. Okay, since they are so tender, I want to cut these kind of like party ribs, but these are baby back ribs, not St. Louis ribs. All right, there's our ribs cut. Let's see how we did. Looks pretty good. Good smoke ring. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've got a cup of flour. I have a cup of flour here. I'm going to put a teaspoon of baking powder in there. And then I'm also going to add, I might add about a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add some of Meat Church's Holy Gospel. Just going to sprinkle it in. That may be a couple of teaspoons. And I'm going to get it mixed up. Okay, now I'm just going to take my ribs and I'm going to get each one of these floured up, dredged in the flour, and they're going in the deep fryer. Alright, I got my oil heated up to about 350. A little higher, 360. Alright, so I'm going to start frying my ribs. Put them in nice and easy. Ribs are already cooked, so we're just going to actually just try to get them to a nice golden brown. I think that's crispy enough right there. Set them on a paper towel. There you go. We're not done yet. I just wanted to show you the ribs. All right, so I don't know. I know not all of you watch my tortilla takeover channel, but I made some Nashville Hot Chicken tacos out of some cheap Sonic chicken bites. But I used this Nashville Hot Ranch from Hidden Valley Ranch, and I got to tell you, this stuff is not only tasty, it is really hot. So I'm going to use some of this, and then I'm going to get all my pig wings in there, get them all nice and coated, just like this. All right, what do you think of that? Pig wings, agree? Or rib wings? Or, I mean, some people may just call them Nashville Hot Sauced Party Wings, or Party Ribs, but they're not party ribs. I deep fried them like you would chicken, and just to give them that little extra crisp. And yeah, so if you follow my channel at all, I'm always looking for other ways to cook things you cook all the time. I cook ribs all the time. If I videoed all of them, you'd probably leave my channel. I do cook a lot of ribs, but every now and then I got to cook them different, just for you guys, to give you an idea of what you might want to do on, let's say, game day. And you want to serve some party ribs, but you want to make them different. So you could just make regular party ribs and sauce them, but taking that next step of deep frying, I think you need to do it. All right. Once again, Nashville Hot Pig Wings. Let's give them a try. I'm pretty sure that if you serve these at a game, the guys would be going crazy. Guys and gals. And you could serve them with French fries. You could use French fries to dip in this sauce. Look at that. Now these I wrapped them in foil for a little longer than I normally would, so they're pretty much fall off the bone instead of bite off the bone. I think you could probably just wrap them for an hour and a half. That would be fine. I got to tell you, who would have thought that ribs would taste so good with the Nashville hot sauce? Too bad Popeyes is named chicken, right? They can make pig wings. They're messy. All right, try to get that off. Nobody said anything yet. All right. Let me know in the comments below if you would make these pig wings. You could sauce them with whatever you want. You could use just your regular buffalo sauce if you want. That would be very delicious too. But I tell you, that Nashville Hot Ranch from Hidden Valley Ranch is really good. It's great for tacos, and now it's great for pig wings. Thanks for checking this out. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.